Nama ka jingile pala jong Drok hakane ka jila na kaliang katnat pulit ka Mekhalaya hak jingelam u Director General u Polis u Dr. LR Bishnoi akas ngineng kong kila pelong ya ka jingye kendu ikisamla pule jong ka St. Anthony's College pan pensyai halo ka jingma ka bami na u jingdi u bas new u Drok. Halor kane na kaliang u DGP haba ai ka jingkren sya kisamla pule ulai thu paki pulet jong ka jela ki trace tom ban pendu jai yau ne u jingdi u bas new u bakam sirke banya ka klam coronavirus ha ka bayade ba ka jing saprang stat jong u DGP ul ongru ba ka jela Mekhalaya ka dei ka jela ka badon hajan bat ka Golden Triangle pat une u jingdi Ïohrung sakari nakari ba marjan ka Myanmar ling ba ka jela Manipur pat ki wei ka jela na kaliang u Dr. Bishnoi ulai thuru balajan baro kiri ka Pyrthei kila sya taplup ha une u jingdi bat dei Tang ka Vatican City ka ba une u jingdi bas new umpat la bandrom Shushu ulai thuru baki pulet ka jela Mekhalaya kila treshitom hadu kata-kata pan pendu ya umne ujingdi badda kispangot kibriu ki badan ti bandi la kem yaki ha kane kasngi la don ru ka drill ka bala pen I de kipulet SF10 syakisam la pule jong ka St. Anthony's College ha ka bayade bat kane ka jing pelong ya kane ka program
You should keep in mind that Meghalaya, although very small state, yet it is a seriously in the grip of drug menace. And why it is a sensitive? The reasons are, first, its close proximity to Golden Triangle. You might have heard about the Golden Triangle. Yeah. So this is basically a bordering area of Laos, Myanmar and Thailand. It's a huge area, nearly 9 lakh square kilometers, where the opium cultivation is done. And out of opium, after processing in the improvised factory set up in the jungle area, they prepare the heroin, morphine and other drugs. And after that, those drugs are transported to India through Myanmar borders. First it comes to Manipur, and one route is from Manipur to Ïohrung, Drok of Assam, Meghalaya, Guwahati, and then it goes to other states of India. The second route is from Manipur, it goes to Dimapur, and after that it enters into Assam. So these are the various routes. So Meghalaya is sensitive because Myanmar is not far away from the Meghalaya. The drug traffickers can easily transport the drugs. Secondly, why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because it has porous border with Bangladesh. We have nearly 440 kilometer border with Bangladesh, and Bangladesh border is sensitive from drug trafficking point of view. We have also nearly 850 kilometer borders with the state of Assam, and Assam is also equally facing these problems. And large number of consumers are there in the Shillong city and the adjacent area. The male population to female population and from urban population to rural population, this menace is spreading like a wildfire. And except Vatican City, that is the religious country, except Vatican City, all countries are in the grip of the drug menace. In 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they have conducted nationwide survey covering all the states and the union territories, and in 2019 they found that nearly 8 crore drug abusers are there in India. This is a huge figure.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center